I found a versatile, practical, and comfortable bag on Amazon. Welcome to another episode of Glam Pink and Girly. Puffer bags have become essential in the fashion industry due to their versatile style, practicality, and comfort. They balance fashion and function perfectly, making them suitable for various occasions. Westbronco crafts purses and bags that meet the modern woman's needs, versatile, lightweight, durable, and always stylish. With a focus on thoughtful design like adjustable straps, water resistant materials, and padded compartments. Their collection is perfect for travel, errands, or elevating everyday outfits. Each piece blends comfort and practicality. They have smart interior layouts, premium nylon, vegan leather, and sleek color options. Now let's proceed with the unboxing. This is called the small puffer quilted crossbody bag from Westbronco in the color Barbie pink. It is made from a quilted nylon that is durable, waterproof, and lightweight. It measures 13 inches by 8.4 inches by 5.5 inches. The handle height is 3.7 inches. On the front is the logo in silver tone hardware that is located in the right bottom corner. At the bottom are faux leather feet to protect the base of the bag from getting dirty, and it also gives the bag some structure when placed on a surface. This is a unique idea as well, the first time that I've seen the style of the feet, and I really liked it. At the back is a zipper with silver zipper pull and plastic zipper teeth. This is a great feature when you want to access things easily like your ID or keys or card or wallet. You don't need to open the main compartment of the bag. This is a great feature. Now let's explore the inside details of the bag. The zipper is smooth gliding, same material as in the exterior pocket. The inside is a wipeable interior fabric that you can easily sanitize. On one side has another zippered area for things you want hidden inside your bag. Then on the other side are two mesh pockets. I really like the idea that you can easily see what's inside each pocket because they used mesh. Even the bag is made from soft material, you can still feel some structure to it. You can easily see the things inside. This is just a small sized bag, but I think you can put a lot of your daily basic essentials. Still, it will not feel heavy. The bag includes a removable and adjustable strap that is functional. On the strap are loops for holding the keys or charms or alcohol spray bottle, anything that you access besides from the outer pocket. This is another great idea that I have placed on the straps. Very well designed. You can carry the bag by the top handle, at the crook of the arm, by the shoulder, or as a cross body. Now let's see what fits in this Westbronco small puffer quilted crossbody bag in Barbie pink. This bag does not feel heavy even when I have placed a lot of things inside already. It feels very comfortable on my shoulders. Aside from this color Barbie pink, it also comes in multiple other color options. They have black, beige, white, light purple, mint green, khaki, light pink, and dark green. Westbronco has done a great job in creating this cute puffer bag. Now I know why this bag became viral in TikTok since last 2 years ago and still trending until the present. In case you're interested, I'm happy to link their store on my description box below. I hope you all enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Always remember to thank God for the beautiful blessings. Till next time.